Alright guys, I'm doing the first oil change on my truck at, I think it has 598 miles on it. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a funnel, paper towel for the dipstick, and you're going to need a 13mm wrench. And obviously a bucket to put it in. So here is my bucket. It's a 5-gallon, and the only reason it fits under here is because I had the truck up on my Rhino ramps. So normally I would have to use some kind of pan, but today I have it up on the ramps, and so it makes it a lot easier. I'm going to take this off. It keeps falling off of my head. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I have about 8 quarts of transmission fluid in here, so hopefully it doesn't overflow, but okay, 13mm. Break it loose. Go ahead and tighten it snug. But don't over torque it. Next step is to take the oil filter off, and this one is on so tight that I'm going to need an oil filter wrench. Okay. Wow. I don't know who put that on, but it must have been Superman. That was ridiculous. Obo 1 M1303 synthetic media filter. Next step, lubricate the O-ring with some oil. I'm just taking some of the old oil off of the bucket here. Trying to lubricate. Okay. thing only really needs to be on as tight as you can get it with your hand. But I'm going to tighten it just a little bit more. Okay, now I feel good. There we go. Clean everything up. The messiest part of this whole job is the freaking oil filter. Okay, so now that I've drained all the oil out of the system, I'm gonna go ahead, take the oil cap off. If I can get it off. Look at how clean that thing is, man. Brand freaking new. We got this brand new Flow Tool super quick fill funnel, super duper. Put that in there. Got my mobile Delvac 1300, 1 gallon. Trying not to spill. Oh, that's fast, man. This thing holds 10 quarts. So 4 quarts in a gallon, 2.5 gallons pretty much. Some people like to let it sit here and drain out for 2 hours, but I don't have time for that. That's one. Number 2. Oh, look how fast that is. I love new oil. Supposed to put another 2 quarts in here. Just under 3 right now, I think. It's showing full, but I don't know. Filter's empty, so once the filter fills up, that might make a difference. I can always add some. It's easier to add than to take out, so I'm going to go ahead and start the truck. I'm going to check again, now that I'm sure the filter is full. Always wonderful doing this stuff at sunset or at night when you can't see anything. Of course, I didn't have the right size strap wrench, so I had to go to the store. So just as I thought, needs more. Probably another half quart. I think that pretty much did it. Next, remove your funnel, obviously. Reinstall your oil cap. And there you go. That, my friends, is an oil change on a 2016 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali Duramax for your viewing pleasure. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.